Answer these 10 questions to help you develop a comprehensive business plan. 1. What problem are you solving? Define the problem your product or service solves and explain why it is essential to your target market. 2. What is your value proposition? Explain the unique value your business provides to customers and how it distinguishes you from your competitors. 3. Who is your target audience? Identify your ideal clients, their demographic characteristics, behaviors, and preferences. What motivates them to choose your solution? 4. What business model do you have? Explain how your business will generate income. Describe your pricing strategy, sales channels, and distribution methods. 5. How will you market and promote your business? Describe your marketing and sales strategies. What is your plan for attracting and retaining customers? 6. Who are the members of your team? Describe the roles and responsibilities of the key team members. Highlight their skills, experiences, and contributions that are relevant. 7. What is your financial plan? Provide detailed financial projections, including revenues, expenditures, and cash flows. What is your plan for funding your business? 8. What are your short-term and long-term goals? Set achievable short-term goals and outline your long-term vision for the business. What are your plans for achieving milestones? 9. What are the potential risks and strategies for mitigating them? Identify potential challenges and risks that your business may face. Describe your strategy for addressing and mitigating these risks. 10. What is the reason for your business's success? Summarize your belief that your business will be successful. Highlight your strengths, competitiveness, and growth potential. Addressing these questions in your business plan. Addressing them will provide a comprehensive overview of your business idea, strategies, and goals, which will aid potential investors, partners, and stakeholders understand your vision and approach. Thank you for watching.